Walking on a dream. How can I explain? Talking to myself.
Why do I want to be an Apple Distinguished Educator? Well, first of all, I want to network and learn from other Apple Distinguished Educators and be a part of that community, that support group. Secondly, I have been in three school districts, and all of them have been PC-only environments, but I still have taken my Mac technologies out of my own personal pocket and made an awesome environment and awesome lesson plans for kids to still learn from with Apple technologies, because that is a technology that they have in their pocket and that they love. So I use that for the benefit of my class, and I would love to showcase that to you. Third, and my most important reason, is that I want to be part of the lead dog in the technology world. Every other technology group just chases what Mac invents. It would be awesome. It would be a privilege to be an Apple Distinguished Educator for you. Hey Apple, I'll see you in Phoenix, Arizona, so that we can explore the world. Hey, there's nothing like an iPad party. Ha ha!